So we've come to Tanglewood, our other little property, to have a look at what's been going on over the winter, and it's pretty tangled and everything's been growing up. The stream is chuckling away behind me, but I'm rather upset to find this, which was our beehive. And okay, so it was probably a bit rotten. Inside you can see the wood wasn't at its best, but it was ours and somebody's taken it, and I'm really not very happy about that. Still, when we get the animals up here, we'll have our fierce guard sheep. That should stop anybody coming in. So the sun is quite bright over here at the moment, and this is one of the clearings. There aren't very many. It's going to take a lot of long, hard work to get this tidied up. So the field extends a long way that way and a long way that way. So lots of work. So over the time, I hope you join us and see how this all changes. Bye for now.